Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2023 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 ES in gray. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 15-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 3,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D6944.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.